Hello everyone, welcome to Ratners. This is Vijay here. Hope all are doing good. Today let us see some beautiful exclusive sari collections. Those are organza Banarasi saris which are very soft in texture and very nice flow. It really drapes well. The one that I am wearing is the same type of sari with a beautiful zari border and small motifs, self-printed, floral printed and contrast blouse sometimes, and it comes with a mixed color combination, dual color tones and 3 color tones. It's a very beautiful soft Banarasi organza saris and it comes with zari border and it ranges just rupees 3,300 only. The first one that is available, the mannequin is wearing a beautiful green and a peach Fanta and peach shade mix. It's a 3 color shades which comes with a contrast blouse piece that is self printed and beautiful zari border along with the small motifs, gold zari motifs in it, and it's very soft and elegant, very comfy too, and it shows it's really thin also. The one that I have combined with a beautiful pearl jewelry to it, just ranging to rupees 1,299 only. Just take the screenshot and share it to me if you want to book and any inquiries. I've shared my WhatsApp link below. The next one in this collection, wow, this is so pretty, beautiful peach and a green Turkish blue combination comes along with it. This is very soft. I can show the flow like this. Wow, this is so pretty. And see the pallu, this is wonderful pallu that is given and small zari motif which is not very gaudy and very subtle and beautiful multicolor mix actually. The mix of color is very beautiful, very soft, and the printed blouse, it comes with a printed blouse, few with a printed blouse and few with the zari small motifs, and that is very soft and beautiful sari. I can show the sari like this too. Yeah, this is so pretty. Small motifs, printouts and zari border with it. And ranging just rupees 3,300. If you are liking it, just take the screenshot and share it to me. And it comes with the tassels too. The next one in the sari. Wow, this is ultimate again. And this comes with a peach color and a light blue shade with it. Kind of mixed with a green shade also, with the tassels beautifully done. And this is the sari, how it comes, very nice flow. This ranging rupees 3,300 only. It comes with a printed blouse. This is so subtle and pretty, comfortable, very flowy also. It's not a stiff sari and it really falls really very well. Very beautiful organza Banarasi saris. It comes with a border that is like copper, light gold colors, very antique gold borders. Very beautiful and very pretty. Just ranging rupees 3,300. If you are liking it, just take the screenshot. The next one in the sari. Yeah, this is yet another beautiful color. Wow, so pretty. And the pallu is like that. Tassels here with a copper border, cream color, beige color and a Turkish blue color shade with a beautiful motifs and a self-printed blouse with it. Very pretty. Look at the Banarasi border. This is so pretty with the tassels coming. The color shade is beige with a Turkish blue. Just ranging rupees 3,300 only. Wow, this is so pretty. The next one in this, I would like to grab all these saris, but I just want to leave some for you. And the next one, it's another beautiful sari. Wow, this is so pretty. Rainbow shades, but pastel colors. All pastel shades mixed with Turkish blue, lavender, beige and green mixed. And beautiful pallu with the tassels and printed blouse coming with a zari border and a small motifs on it. Very soft, comfortable yet, and rupees 3,300 only. Wow, this is the color, a rainbow shade color. Very beautiful, very soft in texture. The next one in this, the last one, but a beautiful piece. Wow, this is so pretty. Let me show it like this. Yeah. And the motifs that have come here is a rose. Wow, this is so pretty. Pallu with the tassels and a beautiful self-printed zari motifs blouse also along with it. This comes with a peach and a green shade, pastel, all pastel colors, very beautiful subtle colors, very soft, comfortable and flowy too. It will not look very gaudy, and these are very good for a festive season, a small party wear, and this comes with a range of rupees 3,300 only. You can just take the screenshot and share it to me for booking and other inquiries. Please follow, share, subscribe our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook. Thank you for watching us.